Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. A 25-year-old male presents with fever and cough with productive sputum. He has decreased breath sounds on the left side. Complete blood count shows mostly neutrophils on his white blood cell differential. He has been functional with few symptoms but now seeking medical attention as his mother has been worried about him. What type of pneumonia does he likely have? Staphylococcus aureus pneumonia, Legionella pneumoniae, viral pneumonia, or Mycoplasma pneumonia? Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.